The first time I saw my family, friends, and myself on an edited video, I see their reaction, reliving and feeling the moment again. And I said to myself, I want to be a video editor. So I decided to search for the best professional software out there. After months of searching, finding what are the different pros and cons, and I finally found the video editing software that I'm looking for. Premiere Pro is so powerful, and Adobe did a great job designing a user-friendly interface that's easy to use and easy to understand. This course is for everyone who wants to edit their video. If you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, event videographer, or for whatever reason, this course is made for you. You can learn at your own pace, and the screen of Premiere Pro was captured big enough so even if you're using your phone to watch the course, you can still see it. So to everyone I teach, my focus is for them to learn and understand the basic concept and just do it. Don't worry about getting it for the first time. It might be overwhelming, but it's okay to feel that way. I make mistakes constantly and keep learning from it. If you want to be successful, there's no other way but by doing, making mistakes, and learning from those mistakes and moving on. If you take time and learn it, I am sure it will serve you well. I am Paul Nene, and this is my masterclass.